All right, guys, we got a 2017 Ford Mustang 5.0. Beautiful automobile. Look at this thing. She's a beast. Anyways, factory converters there and there. Then he brought his own system in. It's a Ford Performance system from Ford. So anyways, it's a catback system. So this is Ford's way of an X-pipe right there. And then we got this thing going by. Wow, I haven't seen one of those in a while. Construction never ends. Anyways, welcome to Nashville. X-pipe right there. Then it's a 2.5-inch system all the way back. He didn't want it clamped. He wanted it all welded. So we said, we got you. So that's what we did. So it's got a Ford Performance system by Borla right there. And right there, there's the mufflers. Basically, it's a Borla attack made specifically for a Ford Mustang. Okay? Right there and right there. And it's got some polished 3.5-inch black tips to finish it off there and there. We'll see if we can get you guys a link for the system. It's a really clean, nice system. Nice Mustang GT, as you guys can see right there. Beautiful. And there's the factory exhaust. If you guys ever wondered what a Mustang exhaust looks like, comes dual in, dual out, and then 2 mufflers out the back stock. That's what it looks like stock. We took it all off and replaced it. It all comes in one piece on these things. But the aftermarket kit comes in pieces for the box to be able to fit. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Might be a Borla S-type, not attack. No, it's definitely a Borla attack. Made specifically for Ford. That doesn't sound bad at all, though. I like it. Here's sound decibels. 112. Again? That's a nice marble. Go ahead and back it out. Wow, that sounds so good. Let it idle. That's the idle on it, guys. Give it gas. Huh, I like it. It's definitely different. Very nice. Out with the old. In with the new. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. So it's been sitting for a couple hours. This is the cold start on this Mustang with the Performance Ford by Borla. You guys get to hear it. Cold start. Perfect. Beautiful. That was the cold start on it for you guys. He's had it 4 years, guys. Beautiful car. So we really appreciate him bringing it in. We hooked him up with a Performance by Ford by Borla catback system.